Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today we're gonna cover the issue, why is your device so quiet? Of course, we are talking about Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 FE. So there are actually many different reasons of how your device performs. And if it comes to the quietness of your device, we can try some tips out. At first, try closing the case, and if you do see here the LED light, it means that is nice. But if you do see here the red LED light blinking, it means that your device is almost discharged. Try plugging the charging cable in the charging port. Leave your headphones like this with the both earbuds inside for 10 minutes, 20, 30, 40, even an hour to check and to just have them charged. After this period of time, I recommend an hour. Check if they are charged. If you do have, for example, I do recommend having 1% on each earbud and 50% in the case, just to make sure. If they are charged, check if then your earbuds are that quiet. If they still are, we have to do something different. But if they aren't, that's nice. It was just because of the discharge. Just make sure that your earbuds don't discharge that often and that much, and you'll be good to go. But if the issue isn't still covered, you have to open the case, and now when your earbuds are not discharged, hold the circle button, which is at the bottom over here. Push and hold it until you see the LED lights. Close the case right after you see them. It's red, green, blue, red, green, blue, red, green, blue, or red, green, it doesn't matter actually. Just this triple color LED. Right after you close the case, and then open it and hold the button until you see the same LED lights. Now you have done a factory reset. Forget your earbuds on your phone, unpair them, pair them back again, and check if it works. If it works, that's nice. But if it still doesn't work, you have to check if there aren't any problems with the player. Sometimes I know that some Tidal player or any other players had a problem. Are having a problem that they are just lagging or they are too quiet. So try turning the player. Try turning the volume up in your phone. Just check if it's a phone issue or a player issue. Try, for example, switching from the Tidal to Spotify, from Spotify to YouTube. Just check many different players, and if the issue still persists, check the phone. So as for the phone, the first thing I had to check is that if you have the volume turned up to 1%. If you do, something's wrong. But if you didn't, that's just a mistake. And if you turn the volume up, they should work normally. I did the same previously on my brand new Samsung Buds, but they were 3 Pro, and yeah, I thought that they are broken. And now it's just my own issue. I didn't turn up the volume level. So check if it's the phone, and if it isn't the phone, we have to unfortunately go to the authorized service and have our earbuds fixed. It's not your problem, not your issue. It's like you didn't just break them. It's sometimes just the factory, this Samsung company itself, and you can just report the issue. They will have it fixed for you. Of course, what I do recommend is to clean them before that, because they can just make the situation opposite and make you like you did it. So yes, have them cleaned. Don't have any visible break mistakes, like break signs, like that you dropped it or something like that, and they should fix it for you for free. Of course, if you do have the warranty. If you don't, you have to unfortunately pay for it. And actually, that's it for this video. Have a nice day and goodbye.